You walking on a trail?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you waiting for mommy to get out of the doctor's?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Is this a nice trail?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Yeah. You try again?
Yeah.
Alright. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh.
Ah. Oh, man. Baby steps? Yeah, because you don't want to go too far. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Edge, huh? Yeah? Whoa. What happened? Okay. We're just out here walking around today while his mommy's in the doctor's checking on his little sister. Willow's got a few more months and she'll be here. Are you ready for Willow to get here? Yeah, you ready to meet your little sister? Yeah, me too. Daddy's ready. Yeah. The value of dead stuff. There's plenty of it in here too. Trick, do you like the woods?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you just saying that just to say yeah? Where's all the squirrels and the birdies at? Yeah, it's not too cold for the birdies to leave yet, is it? No, not yet. It will be this week though. We're gonna get some really cold days, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Too bad there's a Christmas tree right next to Daddy's fireplace, huh?
Yeah.
We blame Mommy for that one. Town in the Pines. Somerville is Flower Town. Alrighty then. Hey, you're in my way, Leaf. Trying to tell me something. But when I see signs like that, I want to enter. Let's enter. Look at the water. Yeah, you see the duckies over there?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are they doing? Are they swimming?
Yeah.
What sound does a ducky make? No, that's a turkey. A ducky say quack quack.
Yeah.
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 We got off the trail because the sign said no trespassing and we had to trespass. I see. Hey, don't touch nothing. Careful. Alright, you ready for Daddy to let you go?
No.
Alright, go. You can do it. You can do it. You're doing a good job. Good job, big boy. Fishing 101. Well, I was looking for the birds. I hear them, but I can't see them. Maybe if we stand still, we might be able to see them. I don't know. I think the only birds that I hear are really tiny birds. Do you see any birds, boy?
No.
No, I don't either. Alright, let's continue on. Look, there's a bridge for you to cross. Run into the bridge. You're crazy. Oh, you give up on running? Now you're just gonna walk? Okay, you lazy bum. Hey, where you going? Why you run from me? Why you run from me? Hey, get back here. What? Ew. It's a good thing you didn't step in it. Yeah, some animal make a tinkle on the bridge. Ew. Bridge. Huh. That's cool, huh, Chokes?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice nature walk, huh?
Yeah.
Simple. Not too long, not too short. Just the right amount of length. Especially for a little 2-year-old like you, huh? Bye-bye. Watch where you're going. You almost fall off. Wetlands, not always wet. You guys notice how the numbers are going down instead of up? I think I went on this trail backwards. Oh well. There was no actual specific way you were supposed to go. Well, I have numbers on these signs. Brook Nature Trail for the family. Hey, don't go down there. Stay on the trail. Daddy already made you go off the trail once and we went by no trespassing sign. I know. How could Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go native. I think I like that. Go native. Yeah, we definitely should have started this way. Alright, there's the start of the trail. And then we should have went that way. But instead we went this way. Anyway, everyone, go native. Take your butt outside, go do something in the woods. Doesn't matter how small it is, right? Hey, go outside, right?
No.
No, go outside? Oh, my bad. Anyway, go native, guys.